Hey everyone, welcome back to Maker's Mind. Today, we're diving into a super practical project, installing a reverse osmosis RO water filtration system, and I'll also show you how to drill a hole in a granite countertop to install the faucet. Let's get started with the unboxing. Here's the stainless steel faucet, sleek and solid. Next up, we've got the water tubing, a set of extra filters, and all the connectors and valves we'll need. This handy wrench comes with the kit for easy filter changes. And here's the heart of it all, our 5-stage RO system. You'll see 3 filters on the bottom and 2 more on the top. And finally, the water tank. It holds up to 3.2 gallons of purified water. First, mark the spot on your countertop where you want the faucet to go. To drill through granite, I'm using a 1/2-inch diamond drill bit. Attach the drill bit to your drill and start gently scoring the surface. Don't rush it. To keep the drill bit cool and reduce friction, you need water. I made a small dough ring around the mark to hold the water in place while drilling. Once that's set, start drilling steadily. Be patient. Let the tool do the work. And there it is. The hole's done. Now just install the faucet using the supplied washers and nuts. Step 2. Installing the RO system under the sink. First things first, shut off the cold water supply under your sink. Now we're going to install the water feed valve. This splits the cold water line. One side goes to your regular faucet, the other to the RO system. This valve fits a 1.5-inch pipe, and I'm using plumber's tape on the metal threads to ensure a tight, leak-free seal. After installing, double-check for any leaks. Next, it's time to connect the tubing. The kit comes with push-fit connectors, which make this part easy. You'll be connecting 4 lines. Cold water feed, shed from the valve to the RO system inlet, via the pressure control valve. Filtered water to the faucet, line from the RO system to the storage tank. Wastewater drain line, this usually goes to the drain saddle, but I used an existing drain opening in my setup. Once all the lines are in place, I connected the water tank to the RO system, but I left the tank valve off for now. Turn on the cold water supply and let the water start flowing into the RO system. Wait about 5 minutes. Now open the faucet while the tank valve is still closed. You'll see a slow stream of water start to come through. That's totally normal. The system is just filling up. Let the water run for about 10-15 minutes to flush the filters. Then turn off the faucet, open the tank valve, and wait for it to fill up. And that's it. Turn on your faucet again and enjoy fresh, clean, filtered water straight from your new RO system. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects from Maker's Mind.